Everybody, I'm Josip from China. I'm here at the factory for tractors. Here we have a beautiful one with 200 horsepower, very powerful. As you see, I'm 1.9 meter tall. It's pretty big, massive. The quality is top quality in China, really. Lowell brand, very famous, very good. We have also smaller ones, 120 horsepower. Again, 200. As you see, we have many tractors. If you need any, please contact me, and you can tell me your need, and we can find the best tractor for you. We have also smaller ones, like 100 horsepower from other brands as well. Very good. The quality, we only do good quality. We don't want to do cheap products with the poor performance when you use twice, and then you have a lot of problems. This is as well 200 horsepower and 180 horsepower. Behind here, without cabins, we have smaller ones, a little less wide, 90 horsepower, 4-wheel drives. If you need any, please let me know. Thank you.